You open your phone for just a minute, and hours later, your mind feels empty and restless. This isn't laziness, it's your attention system getting overloaded. You didn't plan to scroll that long, you just wanted a quick break. One video turns into 10, 10 turns into 50. Then you put the phone down, and suddenly, reading a single paragraph feels hard. Even thinking clearly feels harder than it should. Here's the strange part. You're not tired. You're not incapable. You just feel mentally fried. Why? Because your brain wasn't built for endless novelty. Every short video, every swipe, every new headline gives your brain a tiny burst of stimulation, a small reward, a quick hit of dopamine. Dopamine isn't just the pleasure chemical, it's the motivation chemical. It pushes you toward what feels new and interesting. And scrolling is pure novelty. New face, new joke, new idea, new outrage. Every few seconds. Your brain starts adapting to that speed. Now compare that to reading a book, or writing, or studying. Those things unfold slowly. They require sustained attention. But after an hour of rapid novelty, slow feels unbearable. It's not that deep work is harder, it's that your brain's pace has been recalibrated. Think of attention like a muscle. If you train it with sprints all day, don't expect it to enjoy a marathon. Here's where people misunderstand this. They blame willpower. I'm lazy. I have no discipline. I just need to try harder. But this isn't a character flaw. It's environmental overstimulation. You're trying to focus deeply in an environment designed to fragment you. Here's a reframe that changes everything. Scrolling is borrowing focus from your future. Every quick hit now makes sustained focus later slightly more expensive. You're not failing, you're paying interest. So what can you do? Before any deep task, create a 20-minute attention buffer. No phone, no music, no input. Just sit quietly, or stare out a window, or breathe. At first, it will feel uncomfortable. Your brain will crave stimulation. That's not weakness, that's withdrawal from novelty. But something powerful happens around minute 10 or 15. Your mental speed slows down. Your thoughts stretch out. Focus begins to rebuild. You're giving your brain time to reset its pace. And when you finally start your task, it won't feel like pushing a car uphill. It will feel possible. Your brain isn't broken, it's just overstimulated. And attention, like anything else, can be trained back into depth. Slowly, quietly, on purpose.